Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment on Google Ads account. To get started, open your Google Ads account and make sure you are on the overview page. This is the main dashboard where you can access the different settings and tools for your account. Starting here makes it easy to navigate to the billing section, which is where your payment details are managed. Once you are on the overview page, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel for your Google Ads account. If the menu is already visible on your screen, you may be able to skip this and go directly to the next part. From the menu, find and click Billing on the left side of the screen. This is the section where Google Ads stores all payment-related settings, including billing setup, transactions, and payment methods. If you do not immediately see every billing option, do not worry. The layout can vary slightly depending on your account type or permissions. In this example, the account shown is being used for tutorial purposes, so full access may not be available. Even so, the navigation is still the same, and the process will look very similar on a fully accessible account. This is helpful to know in case your screen looks slightly different from what is shown. After clicking Billing, you should see a billing navigation menu. In that menu, look for Payment Methods. This is the area where you can view your current payment options or add a new one. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct section before moving forward. Next, click Payment Methods to open the Payment Method page. This page is specifically for managing how your Google Ads charges will be paid. Depending on your setup, you may already see an existing method listed, or you may see an option to add one for the first time. On this page, look for the Add Payment Method button and click it. This will begin the process of entering your payment details. Be sure to enter the information carefully and exactly as required on screen, since billing details usually need to match your payment provider's records. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Google Ads will guide you through the required fields, and once everything has been entered, click Save. After that, your new payment method should be added to the account. As a quick tip, review all details before saving to avoid payment issues later. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of adding a payment method to your Google Ads account.